Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here you go, billet wheel, CNC. This particular wheel, beautiful wheel, Softail wheel. Single disc, as you can see, can be adapted to fit other bikes. These hubs do come off and can be machined to fit, okay? So removable hubs mean you can pretty well fit this to anything. We've got dyno hubs, we've got, these are 3/4 tapers for an Evo. We've got, you know, pretty well any bearing you want, ABS, 25mm, 1" 3/4 in a seal bearing as well. But if you're interested in any beautiful wheels, we have masses in stock. Give us a bell, 01773835666, alternatively customcruisers.com. You can see here a good example of sort of wheels we keep in. These particular wheels, that is a P&M or RSD Heathen, sorry, diesel. We've got the pulleys, 20mm. If you want to fit a wider one, you can obviously have the thinner belt. This is a domino wheel, torque, matching discs, pulleys, you know, pretty well you name it, okay? We've got masses of gear. We've got all your service items, all your brake pads, all your manuals. We've got motors, oil pump kits, you know, upgrades, piston kits, brakes. You want to upgrade your brakes because these are pretty crap, as you know. But we have masses of gear. If you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com, or the new site, customcruisers.eu, a lot better. The old site really jams up. It's bloody terrible. Thank you.